Today is day 13 of trying to add more whimsy and bold self-expression into my life. My name is Laura, I'm the Mingled Monarch, and these are the Whimsical Diaries. So today I'm really excited to bring you along with me as I braid my hair. I'm going to be reinstalling some box braids. I'm not new to braiding my own hair, but working with this hair, working with this products, I'm going to try out a new technique, so there's a lot of new factors involved, and that makes me a little bit nervous. Let's get started with the hair makeover! So like I said, I was a little bit nervous to do this hair. There's a lot of new elements, and it can be a little bit intimidating to try a new look. To do something differently, and this was definitely a learning process, and I wanted to give myself grace and be really kind and really patient, because braiding my hair is hard to do on my own, but it's very rewarding, and I love having all of the control for how tight my braids are on my head, the exact look and the style and the feel, and that's really why I choose to do my hair by myself instead of going to a salon, is because I love being able to do the creative process. I love designing the look. I love buying the hair. I love working with my hands. It's kind of like a self-care practice where I get to sit down, be with myself, watch a lot of movies and TV shows, or listen to music and just do a methodical task. It's very meditative. So my vision for this hair was I wanted to do an ombre look and start with the gray, move into like a gray and orange combo, and eventually add in bits of pink. I also have the hair tinsel, which is that little holographic shine in there. So I'm doing this hair for a very special project I've been working on, and those rocking horse charms are actually a clue as to the project. So you'll have to hang around to see the full reveal. But what do you think that I'm working on? Leave your best guesses in the comments. Five and a half hours later, and I am halfway done. I will have to do the other half tomorrow. It is getting late. I'm going to put my hair up in a bonnet and get ready to go to bed. So thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you tomorrow to finish these braids. Good night.